Hello, Dolene. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Hi, you look so beautiful. How are you?
I'm good.
Wow, that's really nice, Dolene. Okay. By the way, happy Children's Day. You are still a child, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So what are you going to do later? Are you going to play at the park? Are you going to go to the cinema?
And I'm play at home.
Wow, just stay at home. Nice, Dolin. What's the weather today, Dolin?
It's sunny.
Very good. Okay. Now, Dolin, I want you to look at your book. Are you ready?
Yes.
Great. So today we're going to learn prepositions. All right. Now let's look at this one, Dolin. I want you to look, listen, and say near.
Near.
Very good. Okay, look at the ball. Where is the ball?
Near the
The ball is
the ball is near
okay near the skunk.
near the skunk.
Very good. So this is a skunk. When it farts, it smells so bad. Like yes. Okay, now look. Say below.
Below
Very good. Now look at the cat. Where is the cat?
under the box.
All right, you can say the cat is below the box.
The cat is below the box.
Very good, Dolin. Okay, say opposite.
Opposite.
Nice. Where is the gray cat?
The gray cat is the white cat.
Very good, Dolin. Okay, now look, say above.
Above
Very good. Now look at the cat. Where is it?
is above the box.
Very good. Okay, now look at this. We have near, below, opposite, and above. They are all prepositions, Dolin. So we use a preposition to say where the object is. When we say near, that's very close. Just like this one. Look, I have some animals here. Okay, I have a dog and I have a cat. All right. Now, look at this. The dog is near the cat. Near means very close. It is next to. Okay. Very good. Now, we also have here below. When we say below, it is under. Okay. Look. What animal is it?
Deer.
It yes, it is a deer. Very good. Now I have a deer here and I also have a raccoon. This is a raccoon. Okay, now I'm gonna put the deer here. Where is the deer?
The deer is below the cocoon.
Raccoon. Very good. So below means under. Nice. All right. Now we have here opposite. When we say opposite, that is in front or across from. Look at this. I have a woodpecker. It's like a bird. And I have a fox. Now I'm going to place it like this. Where is the fox?
The fox is opposite, opposite with
Woodpecker.
woodpecker.
Very good. Okay, so Dolan, I want you to say opposite. Opposite.
Opposite.
Very good. All right. Now I have another animal here, Dolan. Look at this. Wait me a minute. What animal is it?
Is mammal.
It's a mouse.
It's a mouse.
Very good. Now, look, I also have this one. It's a hedgehog. Okay, now I'm gonna put the mouse. Oh, the hedgehog here. Where is the hedgehog?
Hen hedge is below, be above with mouse.
Very good. Give me a high five, Dolan. Nice. All right. So now, Dolan, look at this. I want you to listen and say one more time. Hedgehog. Hedgehog.
Hedgehog.
One last time. Hug. Hedgehog.
Hedgehog.
Very good. So this is a hedgehog. It has many spikes. Okay, this one, say woodpecker. Woodpecker.
Woodpecker.
Very
Woodpecker.
nice. It's like a bird that has a very sharp beak and it pecks like that to the woods. All right. Now look at this one. What is the position? Okay. Where is the bear, Dolan?
The bear is under the table.
That is right. So what letter is it?
C.
Very good, Dolan. Okay. Look, where is the dog?
The dog is on top of the table. B.
That is correct. Wow. Okay, look at this. Where is the cat?
The cat is next to the bowl.
Nice. It's letter A. Very good.
A.
Look, quack, 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 quack. Where is the dog?
The duck is between the cracks.
Wow, amazing, Dolan. Okay, look at the chicken. Where is it? Where is the
Near
chicken?
the seats. Near the seats.
Very good. Okay, now look at the picture. Where are the seeds? Dolan, can you circle the seeds? Wow, nice, Dolan. Do you know what is a seed?
Is the food for chicken eat.
Yes, that's right. It is the food for the chicken. And sometimes we can plant the seed and it will grow like a plant or like a flower. Yes. And that's what chickens eat too. Okay, do you eat seeds? Yes or no?
No,
All right. Thank you for
no,
that one. But do you eat corn?
yes,
Then you eat seeds because corn is a seed. Like the yellow part of the corn, they are all seed. Okay, but with this kind of seeds, we don't eat it. Okay, now look, Dolan, where is the boat?
the boat is on the water.
Very good, that's letter C. Look, where are the puppies?
The puppies are inside the carrier.
Yes, nice, Dolan. Okay, I want you to say carrier.
Carrier.
Very good. Okay, it's like their cage, but a cage is something that we put in our house or outside our house. A carrier is something that we can carry when we travel, when we go to the vet, or when we go to the playground so that we can bring our pets with us inside the carrier. Do you have a pet?
No,
Okay. Now look at this. Where's the rabbit?
the rabbit is outside the hunt.
Very good, Dolan. Wow. What is a hutch, Dolan?
Is the the is the house for chicken or duck.
That is right. Okay, do you like a rabbit?
No,
Oh, you don't like it. That's okay. Now, look at this one. Where's the fish?
the fish is under the water.
Very good. Wow, perfect, Dolan. You got a perfect score in that. So you have 2 stars. Give me a high five. Nice. All right. So, Dolan, I want you to look at the picture. How many puppies are there?
Two.
How many puppies?
There are two puppies.
Very good. What are puppies, Dolan? Puppies are
Puppies are the baby dog.
very good. Now, if the baby dogs are puppies, what do you call the baby cat?
Um, kitten.
Wow, you are smart. Give me a high five, Dolan. Nice. Okay, so you have 1 star again. Now, Dolan, let's have an activity. I want you to look at the picture. You're going to read and write the correct word to complete the sentence. What's number one?
Daisy is Daisy is Daisy is above with track.
All right. Thank you for that one. Now, I want you to look at the picture. Where is Daisy? Can you circle her? Very good, Dolin. So, since Daisy is there, it's the same thing with this one. Look, I have a box. I have a car. I will put the car here. Where is the car?
Is below with
Very good. Okay, so the car is below the box. Now let's look at Daisy again. Where is Daisy?
Daisy is below
Daisy is,
Daisy is below with track.
yes, Daisy is below Jack. Very good, Dolan. What about number two? Look at them. Where's Daisy now?
Daisy above. Daisy is above with track.
Yes, Daisy is above Jack. Great. What about number three?
Is opposite with track.
Okay. Try again.
Daisy is near with track.
Okay, Daisy is near Jack. Okay, now what about number four?
Daisy is opposite with track.
Wow, perfect, Dolan. So you've got 4 out of 4 in here, and of course, a one big star. Nice. Now, Dolan, let's move on with the next page. So I want you, oh, that's done. So we will proceed with another lesson. Okay, are you ready with the reading part? Are you ready?
Yes.
Nice. Okay, now let's have a warm up first. I want you to look at this bedroom. Okay, talk to me about the things that you can see in the picture. What can you see in this bedroom?
I can see the I can see the I can see the TV.
Very good.
I can see the light.
Nice.
I can see the laptop.
Great job.
can see the iPad.
Wow, amazing.
I can see the teddy bear.
Oh, yes, there is a teddy bear.
I can see the phone.
Nice. Anything else?
I can see the guitar.
Very good. Guitar.
I can see. I can see the light to sturdy.
That's right. There's a lamp. Okay. Now, how about this
And
one, Dolan? Uh-huh.
and I see. I don't know.
That's all right. So this is a new word for today. Say hair blower.
Hair blower.
Very good. Now, Teacher AM, what is a hair blower? A hair blower is something that we can use if we take a shower and we want to go to bed, but we can't go to bed because the hair is very wet. So we use the hair blower to dry our hair. It is also known as hair dryer. Okay? Now, Dolin, do you have a hair blower at home?
Yes.
Very good. Who used the hair blower in your house?
My sister, my mom, my dad, my brother, and me.
Oh, even your dad and brother use it. That surprised me. They must have a thick hair. Okay, that's nice because you have a hair blower at home. Now let's talk about this bedroom, Dolin. You know all the things in here. Now I'm gonna ask you, where is the armchair?
The armchair is here.
That is right. Okay. Like, is it next to the bed? Is it next to the wall? Or is it in front of the wall?
Is in front of the wall.
Very good, Dolan. Now, where is the iPad?
The iPad is here.
Yeah, so what will you say that? The iPad is
Is on the is iPad is on the top of the bed.
that is right, on the top of the bed. Very good. Okay, now where is the laptop?
The laptop is on the top of the table.
That is correct. Now where is the hair blower? Where's the hair blower? It is.
Where the bed?
All right, near the bed. Very good, Dolan. Great job. So you have this 1 star again. Okay, now, Dolan, I want you to look at this one. So we have the preposition mind map. So how many different words of preposition can you think to describe time? Okay, so we have example here. Yesterday. Yeah.
Yesterday, I sleep at 10 o'clock.
Wow, nice. So these are all the prepositions that we can use to describe time, place, or movement. We have under, before, at 6 o'clock, after, toward. Continue reading in.
Above, with, off, during,
Nice.
beside,
Great.
above, on,
Through.
through,
One
through,
more. Through. Great.
through, below,
And
across.
very good, Dolan. So all of these are the words or phrases where we can think of to describe a time, place, or even movement. For example, the cat is running under the table. Okay, now we can also say, I submitted my homework before 3 o'clock. Okay, I went to bed at 6 o'clock. The class starts after math, or the English class after math. The English class starts after math, like that. And we have here toward. That means you are going straight. For example, okay, the car is running towards the school. That means it's going straight. Now, what prepositions here, Dolan, that you don't know when to use it?
Across,
We have
across,
across. Very good. Across means opposite. For example, this is the school. Okay. And this is the church. And this is the street, or this is the road. Now, where is the school? Now, I'm going to say the school is across from the church. Okay. It's like opposite the church. That's across. Are we clear? Is that clear, Dolan? Yes or no?
yes, yes,
Very
yes.
good. All right. So, Dolan, today we are going to have two classes. One regular, and second is an advanced makeup class for next week. Okay, so I want you to enter again later for the next class. Okay, see you later, Dolan.